Wanted to show you a little bit about cleaning this glass. So yours has a fair amount of dust on it, much more than ours does. Because you have so much dust, what you should do is find an area of the scale. So I'm moving the robot through its range, and from there I can see that this part of the scale, the glass, never goes under the reader. So I just want to do a little test clean here. So you can use an alcohol wipe. I'm sure you have them, any sort of alcohol wipe. And then we're going to have these Kimtech wipes. So these are just a lint-free wipe. What you want to be careful when you clean the scale is you want to clean it like a CD. So you want to go from the inside out, and you want to do a gentle wipe. More gentle wipes is better than one hard scrub or wipe. The part of the scale you want to be careful of is this ring on the outside, that metal sort of metallic ring. That is what the sensor reads. So that's where you just want to be gentle. So for your scale, I would just come in and just do a few nice gentle wipes from center to outside. Once you do a few gentle wipes, use your lint-free cloth and you want to dry it, and again, from inside out. You want to avoid doing any of this or back and forth on that. It's always from the inside out. Once you've done your test area, you may have to do it again because you have a lot of dust. See what it looks like. If it looks good, well then recommend that you clean your entire glass scale. Seeing the amount of dust on yours, you're probably going to need to do it 3 to 4 times. But again, do more wipes instead of one hard wipe. So do the whole scale once, do the whole scale again. When you do that, hopefully your scale will come out looking nice and clean like ours is.